Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate what will happen when you use or write nextLine command of scanner class immediately after the other next methods of scanner class in Java. So let's get started. So what I am saying here is, let's say you have one method of scanner class used in the code like this. You have used something like this. nextInt. In one of the statement, while you are writing the code of Java, you have written nextInt. Scanner.nextInt you have written. After that, immediately if you have written next line, the things may not work as you think. Okay. So here you will enter some number and number will be captured by this nextInt. I already covered all these methods in the previous session, so I am covering like this. So hope that you are able to understand here. So when the user provides any input while running the code, if the user provides an input to this program, and if the input is 9, the 9 will go into the nextInt. NextInt will capture that 9. After entering the 9, user generally presses enter key. That enter key will be captured as /n, escape sequence /n into the next line. And we may think that the user has to input some line of text. That won't happen, guys. Okay, I'll show you practically. Okay, this theoretical thing I'll explain in a practical way so that you'll understand in a detailed manner. Here I'm going to create a new class. Let's say demo 4. Okay, with main method. So my initial intention of writing this Java code here is I want to capture a number. After that, I want to capture a line of text. Two things I want to capture from the user as an input into this program with the help of the scanner methods. I would like to intake or accept a number followed by a line of text. This is my requirement. So for that to happen, first I need to create an object for the scanner class, right? Scanner is equal to new scanner. I'll just increase the font size a bit so that you can see properly. I'll import this scanner. I import this scanner and here I'll write down system.in. Once that is done, here I'll write a print statement asking the user to enter a number. Enter any number like this. Okay. After that, I'll use this scanner object. Scanner dot. Here I'll write scanner dot nextInt. I would like to accept a number. Okay. When I'm running this Java code, okay, while the code is running, I want the user to input a number. That number inputted by the user I would like to capture here. So int num is equal to number is equal to like this. This is the first thing that I want to do. After that, I would like to ask the user to enter any line of text. Okay, a statement of text I want the user to enter. That I want to capture into this string str is equal to scanner dot next line. Okay, this next line method should capture the line of text entered by the user. For example, my name is Arun. Okay, if I enter while running the code as a user, this next line should capture that my name is Arun. And here, after capturing the number followed by the line of text, I would like to print it out. System.out. Whatever I captured, I would like to print it out. Okay. Here also system.out.println str, I would like to print it out. But this program won't work as you think. Here, let me close a scanner object also. Scanner.close so that the warning will go off. Now here, this program won't work as you think. So the user will enter a number. Number will go into the nextInt. But whatever the text the user will enter, like my name is Arun or something, will not be captured here. What will happen? Let's see. Okay. Whether the user will be given the chance to enter the text or not, let's find it out. Okay. So immediately if I am using next line method after any next methods like nextInt, nextDouble, next, whatever it is. Okay. Next long, next float, whatever it is. Immediately if I am using next line, what will happen? I'm going to show you practically first. Right click run as Java application. Just minimize this one and here enter any number. I'll just press the number 9 here and after you see this 9 will be captured by the nextInt. That's correct. Okay. The moment I enter 9 here, 9 will be captured by the nextInt and 9 will be stored into the number. And enter any line of text also will be printed here. Okay, in the output. But I will not be able to enter any text Any line of text I will not be able to enter. The reason behind that is the moment I enter this 9, 9 will be captured into this number. But after writing 9 here, I am going to press the enter key. On the keyboard, I am going to press the enter key. That enter key will be treated as /n. Okay. This next line will capture the /n. That's the problem. So the reason why we have written this next line here is to capture a line of text. But the previous input, okay, in the previous input, when I said 9 here, 9 is captured into the number. Okay, in the previous input, when I say 9, 9 is captured into the number. After that, when I am pressing enter key, that /n is being captured by next line. This is what is happening. With a single input, two things are intaking the data. Okay, with this 9 and pressing enter to go to the next thing. After entering the 9 here and pressing enter key here, okay, after typing 9 and pressing the enter key here, that 9 is being captured by nextInt, and the enter key, that is /n, is captured by next line. But the next line is not used for the actual purpose of capturing the line of text, which I am going to ask after pressing the enter key here. You see, enter a line of, okay, line of time I have written, line of text actually. Let me run it again. Okay, here I'll enter 9 and press enter. You see, enter a line of text is being asked, but I'm not able to enter anything. You see, I'm trying to type, but I'm not able to type a line of text because already when I pressed 9 here, when I typed 9 here and pressed enter key, 9 went into nextInt, and that enter key, pressing of the enter key has converted as /n string format, and that /n has went into the next line. Now, next line is not actually capturing a line of text. So this is what is the problem. How to overcome this problem, guys? This happens. If you use anything, it will happen. In place of the nextInt, even if you use nextDouble also, it will happen. Okay, if I use nextDouble here and change it to double number, still it will happen. You see, it will happen for all the things. If you use nextLine immediately after any next commands like nextInt, nextDouble, etc., it will happen. 9.5. You see, 9.5 will go into this nextDouble and stored into this number. After typing this 9.5, I'll be pressing enter key. That enter keys will be converted to /n and go to the next line. So you see, it will not allow me to type any line of text, and next line original purpose will go off. That's what is the problem, guys. You see, the problem is getting repeated, right? And here, even if I use next command also, the same thing will happen. Actually, next will capture actually some text, some word. Okay, some word it will capture. So run this code, right click, run as Java application. If I enter, okay, what is the problem here? I'll say yes here, then run this code. You see, after the next commands, it can be next, nextInt, nextDouble, nextfloat, next byte, next short, next long, any kind of next command. Immediately, if you are using nextLine, the code is not going to work. This is one of the problem that a lot of people will face while working with the scanner class for collecting the input from the user. Don't use nextLine immediately after the next, okay? And it won't solve your purpose. Original purpose it will not solve. It will work in a different way. That's the problem. For example, here I am giving my name. For this next, okay, I'm giving my name, Arun. Arun will go into this next command and store into this S of the string. But after that, I'm going to press enter. That enter will convert into /n and will be captured by next line. And because of which I'll not be able to enter the line of text. Again, the same problem is happening. Then what is the solution of this problem, guys? What is the solution of this problem? One way of solving this problem is try to capture this line of text before using the next commands. Okay, don't write this next line immediately after the next commands or nextInt or whatever it is. Okay, first use the next line, then use the remaining next commands. This is one solution. Okay, this is one solution. For example, here, if I run this code, you see, I changed the order in which I am using next commands and next line command, okay, of scanner class. If I am using next line way before the next commands, the problem will be solved. This is one solution for solving the problem. Right click, run as Java application, and this time you see, it is first asking a line of text. I'm just giving my name is Arun Motori like this. When I press enter, okay, my name is Arun will go into the next line and will be stored into S. After that, it's asking me if a number. You see, the problem is not problem is resolved, right? You see, it's asking for two inputs. Earlier, it was asking for only one input. When next line was immediately followed by the next commands, the problem was there. Only one input it was taking. The moment I changed the order where the next line came first and the normal next or nextInt or nextDouble came later, you see, the problem is resolved. You see, this is next, right? Sorry, next. Okay, so I'll just give Arun. You see, two inputs have been taken and two inputs got printed here. Not a problem. I can convert this into next int also. This is one way of solving the problem. This is one way of solving the problem where, okay, int number. Okay, so next line should come first, after the next command should come. What if the next line comes after the next commands? The problem will come. Okay, that's what is the problem. You understood, right? Sorry, here str is there and here num should be there. Now run this, run as Java application, and here I'll just enter a line of text. My name is Arun. Enter a number line. You see, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, if the next commands are coming after the next line, no problem. But if the next line is coming after the next commands, there is a problem. That I already covered, right? What is the problem? Other way of solving this problem. What if still you want the next commands to come first before the next line, or next line to come immediately after the next commands? The problem will be there, right? There is another way of solving this problem where you know that if you are using some next line command immediately after the next int, you know that when you enter a number here and press enter key, number will go into this and enter key will be converted to /n escape sequence, that is new line escape sequence of the string, and will be captured by the next line, and next line will not work as we originally thought of in the program. So what you have to do is you have to write a dummy next line. Okay, you have to use next line multiple times. This is the second way of solution. Here you know that, since you know that when you enter the number and press enter key, the number will go here and enter key will go here. Okay, only when next line is immediately following the next line, you will be writing this extra line, otherwise it's not needed. You just write some next line. You are not you are capturing it, you are capturing what is happening after entering the number, like press enter key. Enter key is getting captured here as /n into this, but I'm not utilizing that. Then the second next line will be used for the original purpose. This is another way of, okay, either you change the order or you add one more next line just to overcome this problem. Before using the next line, you add one more next line to overcome this problem. That is the second solution, guys. Right click, run as Java application. And here you see, if I am entering the number will go into that. When I press enter, the enter key will be converted to /n and will be captured by this dummy next line. I'm not using it. I'm not by capturing it, I'm not doing anything, right? I'm just simply capturing to overcome that problem. Okay, where the next line should actually capture the line of text instead of this /n. Press enter. You see, now it's asking me for the line of any line of text. I can write here. Earlier it was not happening, right? Now it is happening. You see, this will work like this. Clear, guys? How to solve this problem? You see, what is the problem statement? We when we use next line immediately after any of the next commands like next, nextInt, nextDouble, nextFloat, nextLong, etc., the next line will capture the enter key pressed after entering the input for the first command. That is /n will be captured by that. To overcome that, either you change the order or you write some dummy next line way before using the original next line. You write in between one more next line, or you capture this next line way before the nextInt. Don't use next line immediately after the next command is one solution by changing the order, or you add one more dummy next line in between that to capture that escape sequence /n of the enter key, and then this will do the original job that original program is written for. So this is all about this tricky thing, next line. Okay, a lot of people face problem here while using the scanner class because of they doesn't know about this next line immediately being used after nextInt, doesn't work as intended. And what are the solutions I already covered in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.